Have you outgrown your current bookkeeper? Do you have trouble getting timely callbacks or emails from your accountant, especially during tax season? Do you worry that you may be paying too much in taxes? And when you think about your cash flow, payroll, invoices, and bills, are you having trouble keeping up with it all? Are you losing sleep wondering if something will slip through the cracks? Well, you have come to the right place. Most entrepreneurs do not know a good accountant from a bad one, so at CPA MOMS, our job is to find, screen, and support talented CPAs and match those CPAs with business owners looking for quality accounting and tax services. We understand that you want to hire somebody who can provide you with accurate financials on a regular basis, who can take the weight off by maintaining your accounting operational needs like payroll, and who can also provide strategic tax advice. Our hand-selected network of CPAs have 10 to 25 years of experience working with entrepreneurs like you. Each CPA has unique accounting, tax, or audit expertise and also have specific industry specialties. Each CPA was heavily screened to ensure that they can provide you with accurate financial and tax services. We also believe that it is equally important that you be able to trust your accountant to be responsive and proactive in their communication with you. The reason why it is so hard to get a response from your accountant is because most entrepreneurs have hired cheap, high-volume tax sweatshops that say yes to everyone and that burn out their professionals by forcing them to process hundreds of tax returns in 3 short months each year. Or they've hired firms that outsource their workforce to people they have never met overseas to bring that cost down. Our model is different. Each CPA and their team is based in the US. They each create a regular, recurring, and long-term relationship with select entrepreneurs that they believe they can add value to. They carefully balance their accounting and tax work year-round to avoid having all the work accumulating once a year. And as professional working moms, they have teams and systems that help them work productively and effectively to avoid wasting time and money. Furthermore, inside of the CPA MOMS network, we provide a complete support system and ongoing training for our CPAs to help them stay relevant and to have the support of their peers. Each CPA is independent, but not alone. No matter your need, no matter the service that you're looking for, we've got a solution for you.
Unfortunately, there's a very large shortage of CPA talent these days. Quality has definitely declined. I've heard that from so many clients. I could never get a hold of my old CPA, or they never return my calls. The accounting industry in general has just taken such a back seat in customer care. I like to be the person that if someone has a question, they don't know something, I want to be the first person they think of.
You can get a bookkeeper who can put some numbers in play, but they don't understand our specialized industry. And so they can't really give you any advice on how to improve your cash flow or invest back in your business while still investing into your family. You can even get a CPA to do your taxes, but unless they understand the tax law, they're not going to be able to give you advice on how to set your business up to limit your tax exposure every year.
In my accounting firm, I started working with a lot of small business entrepreneurs, and I saw the financial pain that they were going through, the stress that they had about whether they were going to make payroll or even be able to pay themselves, and I knew that I needed to help them.
They are thinking that financial freedom is just around the corner. They just made all this money, and then a tax bill comes and they have to give so much of that money away. They've made plans for that money. They've taken vacations and already spent the money. Arguments start happening, and just the stress and not sleeping and wondering how you're going to pay that tax bill. It can be overwhelming.
That's why I've created my firm to truly help professionals and provide a customized plan. I make the process easy and simple. I focus on their books, their tax strategies, and their tax returns so that they can go and focus on their clients the way that they want it to.
I love being able to help people. Not everybody's number people, and I like to be able to help them understand them and let the numbers tell them a story about how their business is doing.
Most business owners don't want to deal with the day-to-day accounting and want to focus more on the business itself, and we allow them to do that. I chose CPA MOMS because I love the network of knowledgeable CPAs that you can turn to. We all work together to help each other answer questions so we can get them back to our clients that much faster. It's just comforting to know that they're there and you're not figuring things out by yourself.
Now that you've had an opportunity to hear from our CPAs, we want to underscore our 3 core principles. Number 1, we're committed to always providing accurate accounting and tax services. Number 2, we provide personalized care to all of our entrepreneurial clients. Number 3, we are committed to timely, proactive, and effective communication. That means that if you have a question, you can be sure that your call or email will be responded to in a timely fashion. If you are ready to hire a CPA who cares, I invite you to complete the online consultation form to schedule your free initial consultation session with a CPA today.